All right. So, hello, hello. Can I see myself? No. Let's see. I'm supposed to be going live right now in the Bible Room group. And if this works out, I will share it. Oh, it is actually live. So, well, what I can see here is if I am screen sharing, I do not have webcam. You don't you don't see me if I'm actually sharing my screen. So we're gonna go to the screen share and see can I don't think, let's see if this is gonna work. I guess this is gonna work. Okay, so we're loading the studio. Huh. Let's enter. Let's see if how this is gonna work. Um let's see if we put this here. I don't know. Is this actually working? I guess it is. You don't see me if if I'm it's actually live in the group. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so I don't need two of those up there. Well, this isn't where I wanted to do the thing anyway. So this is the issue that I think I found. Okay, so let me see. Before today, when I would do a webcam recording in this Evmux, this is the thing I use to do the live stream for the Bible Day Live that goes live simultaneously on Facebook, um, on two pages, on the I Love Bible Study page, and it goes live on my personal profile page. And it also goes live on YouTube all at the same time. So Evmux is the software behind the scenes that's handling that. And so let's go out of the studio for a little bit. So when I go into the recordings and you look at some of the recordings, you get 3 recordings. So this is the recording from today. You, you see, it looks clear right here. When I download this one, it looks clear when I play that back. But when I would download this one, which is the webcam one, it was seriously fuzzy. So this is my theory, and we can test this next week. So let's go back to inside the studio, and I'm going to tell you what I changed. And hopefully this fixes it, because it makes sense that it fixes it. So let's go back. Oh, how do I even get back to where I was? Here we go. So we'll go back in the studio. Okay, that's loading up. Okay, so what is happening when I'm doing the screen share? I have to have this element back here. If I don't have this element back here with my webcam, this one, the one I'm pointing to right here, if I don't have that one on there, then you can't hear my audio even though I've got this screen share going, right? So, but before I had a little picture of me down like this, and this was on there, and I changed, what did I change? I changed this to be below this. So drag this like this. Oh, it didn't change. Maybe I have to do somehow. Anyway, I'm going to leave it back there, but I had it on top of it. So when I was live, you could see the screen share, and then you could see my little webcam down in this corner. Well, that meant though that the picture that was being recorded was only this little box. So my theory is if I stretch this box out to be at least half the screen, you know what? I can make it be exactly this big. How do I do that? Frame dimensions. Let's do 1280 by 720. Nope. 1280 by 720. I guess it's still not stretched. I want it stretched like this picture over here. I want this same thing over there. Screen share. So let's see if I didn't do something right. Oh, this should be 1280. Why is it 1280 by 1280 by 1280, 1280 by 720? I don't know. Maybe it's because this is linked. Oh my goodness. Let's try it again. This is what it's all about. Figuring things out. Let's go back here. 12. Let's try this again. 1280 by 720. You know, the regular video. Like regular video. Right there. Like that. So now I'm above my screen share. I want my webcam to be below it. So let's put this back on there. Okay, so that means I should get a full webcam, even though you won't be able to see it when I'm doing the screen share. Because let's see if this will let me share another screen here. Looks like it's going to. I'm gonna share the Facebook window. Okay, so you see how I'm still back here? So that's what's giving me the audio. But I have this on top of it. Okay, let's get this back on top of it, covered completely. Okay, and stretch it out a little bit. Okay, so that's all covered completely, and I can put me back on the screen over here, and then I can put this screen share back on there, and this is actually showing me going, it's showing me going live. Live. So anyway, I hope that fixes it. It sounds reasonable that it's going to. So I can stop this screen share, and now this goes back to being set up, and we're going to try this next week to see if that fixes my fuzzy video issue. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. In addition to just testing live streaming on Facebook, and I think I just hacked a way to show my webcam at the same time. So, blessings to you. Bye for now. We'll see what happens next week.